In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change match settings in Multiverses. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly customize the match settings when you create any multiplayer Multiverses settings. So you will be able to go over to game mode and in here change some of the aspects related to gameplay. So of course, in here you can change the game mode. If you choose 2v2 or 1v1, there won't be much to customize, so I just want to make that very clear. If you select between 1v1 or 2v2, which are the normal online modes, you won't be able to customize much. You will be able to select your fighter and customize the perks, but besides this, it's a standard match and they don't allow for much customization. However, if you go over to training, local, or custom game, this is where you will be able to customize the match to your own liking. So I'm gonna showcase custom game. In here, you can choose between 1v1, 2v2, or free-for-all, so you can even have 1v1, v1, v1. But for this video, I'm going to choose 2v2. You can choose the amount of ringouts and then the time. Once you customize these aspects here, you are basically ready to start, although you can enable or disable hazards and change the maps on the rotation. You can add more players and invite them over online. So as you can see, I can see my Steam friends list from here and invite them as needed. And alternatively, you can add bots. You can choose bots with any of the fighters currently in the game, and once they are sent to each of the teams, you will be able to start. You can customize the bot difficulty, change the fighter, and you can add handicaps to each player if they need to be more balanced. You can change the teams, and like I said, you can invite online. So it's extremely simple to customize a match and make sure that everyone enjoys themselves. You can add bots accordingly, set their difficulties, and everyone will be able to play together, online or locally. So this is all you have to do to initiate a custom game and change the match settings. I hope I was able to help you on how to change match settings in Multiverses. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.